All right, so I'm going to go over the directions for the Kahoot. Now, this link for the Kahoots today as a review for your test is optional. It's not a task you have to do or are graded on, so it's an optional task. So if I click on this, it comes up with some links for me. So I have 3 links to 3 Kahoots. For instance, if I want to practice Earth spheres and I click on this Kahoot, this will pop up. So you can either just look at the questions, kind of test yourself, and then look at the answer. You'd have to click on it and it'll reveal the answer. You can review that way. Or if you are able to do it on a different device, let's say if you have a phone or if you have a tablet or something, you can press play and then you would press host on your computer, press classic, and then on your other device, your tablet or your phone, you can go to www.kahoot.it and type in this code on your other device, your phone or your tablet. And you can play through the Kahoot that way. But if I go back here, you can just review by going through the question. Which sphere does this picture represent? Well, it's water, and all water is included in the hydrosphere. Let's check my answer. If I click on the question, I can see that the correct answer is the hydrosphere. It has a green check by the correct answer. So you can do it both ways. You can just practice here if you don't have another device. If you have another device, you can use that device to play.